Welcome to the Geeksvana 2 Minute Drone News.
Hey everyone, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first and fast, click the notification bell. Is your drone spying on you? Let's start the timer and find out. CNN report that the US Department of Homeland Security warned Chinese-made drones may be sending sensitive flight data to their manufacturers in China, where it can be accessed by the government there. In an alert issued on Monday obtained by CNN, the alert from DHS's Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency states the drones are a potential risk to an organisation's information. The products contain components that can compromise your data and share your information on a server accessed beyond the company itself. Although the report does not go as far as naming any manufacturer, the simple fact is that around 80% of drones in the US and Canada are made by DJI. The alert states, the United States government has strong concerns about any technology that takes American data into the territory of an authoritarian state that permits its intelligence services to have unfettered access to that data or otherwise abuses that access. This comes after President Trump signed an executive order last week banning US firms from using telecommunications equipment from Chinese manufacturer Huawei. This of course is concerning, with data often entered on drones to unlock no-fly zones, which includes confirming your personal identity, thus giving those with access information on who you are and your movements. Whether this story has more to do with the current US-China trade tensions, or if China, a country legislating its people to assist intelligence services wherever possible, is using the data for nefarious reasons, there seems little an average drone consumer can do about being in the middle of a tense situation. Thanks for watching today's 2-Minute Drone News. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.